Hey YouTube, I'm gonna go over this Bobby Oroza song called I Got Love. Alright, so this is not gonna be note for note. There's two guitars playing on the recording. You can hear them both playing simultaneously. That's how we know there's at least two. So they're not playing the same thing over and over. They're playing like variations. Let's talk about the chords. I'm going to be playing this. This is a C sharp at the 9th fret. Okay, you can play it look probably like this. We're playing B minor 7, playing D, E, what is it? This is F sharp minor 7. Right, the intro is we're going 12, double stop on the 12, B and E, high E string, double stop on the 9th, and then we bar the top 3 strings. This is B minor 7 to C sharp minor 7. And the horns come. And then it goes into Alright, and what I'm doing is playing the F sharp minor 7 at the 9th fret. And then I pull off my middle and ring fingers, and that makes it into a C sharp minor 7. We're just playing the top 4 strings, or top 3 even. So and then I'm just going this is part of the D. D is very closely related to B minor 7. So it's probably really, the D is probably being used as almost a substitute for the B minor 7. Okay. The thing is, when we're playing the top 3 strings, we're playing the minor 7. When we're playing strings 4, 3, and 2, that is an E. It's like you're taking your A shape, you play at the 2nd fret, and you're moving it up here. Now it's an E. So that's why you don't see a lot of hand movement, because a lot of it is just moving your hand very, and the same thing here. You could even do that D thing. Just instead of playing the whole F sharp minor, so you can just play the A and pull off. It's a D shape A, and then pull off to the C sharp minor 7. And And the melody is going to be right in the. It's kind of going back and forth between mostly F minor 7 or F minor. And C sharp minor, which are both, so you can play them both here or at the second fret is where your index finger would be based out of. But they're both closely related scales. All right, that's my advice for that song, Bobby Oroza. I got love. Thanks. Bye.